Enter microwave data transmission. The technology comes from research in the 90s to gather images from outer space, which has since been adapted to point-to-point transmission back on Earth. It shoots a laser beam from one point to another, reaching speed close to the speed of light. Microwave data transmission is already implemented by traders from New York to Chicago and transmits information in merely 4 milliseconds, which is way faster than Speedy's project. The downside, however, is that microwave transmission have limited bandwidth and are not that reliable. To end this video, something needs to be said about technology.